First, I want you to take a look at this. Right in front of you, 27 million views, 23 million views, 19 million views, 18 million views, 15 million views. Almost every single video on this channel has millions of views. Now here's the crazy part. If you actually check the channel, they've only uploaded 61 videos so far, and they've already crossed 165,000 subscribers. And the channel was started just recently. They're also not relying on just one platform. The same videos are being uploaded on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And no matter where they upload, almost every video is getting millions of views. Now if I show you something interesting here, this channel is already monetized. You can see the join button right here on the side. When I click on it, it shows the membership options. And as you probably know, that button only appears when a channel is monetized. Sometimes you'll also see features like super thanks, which also come after monetization. I'm also using an extension here, and it's showing not monetized. But that's actually not accurate. These tools used to work before, when it was easier to detect monetization on YouTube. Now they often show the wrong information for almost every channel. But YouTube's own features, like the join button, only appear after monetization is enabled. If a channel isn't monetized, those features simply won't be there. And here's the best part of all. You can create these exact types of videos very easily and completely for free. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step, what tools to use, how to create the videos, and how to manage everything. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. But make sure you watch the video till the very end, because every step is important. First thing you have to do is head over to ChatGPT. You can use your phone or your laptop, whatever works for you. Once you're there, if you don't already have an account, just go ahead and create one. Don't worry, you can use the tool for free. Now, once you're inside ChatGPT, you're going to need to give it a prompt. You can find that prompt on our Telegram channel. The link is down in the description. Or you can simply type it yourself because it's pretty straightforward. Basically, in the prompt, I'm telling ChatGPT to give me 10 story ideas where the story starts off sad, but by the end, everything turns out okay. The story should be about a character named Labubu. The idea is that Labubu's day begins with something bad happening, but by the end of the story, things get better. As soon as I hit send, ChatGPT understands the request and instantly gives me 10 different story ideas. Now from here, you just pick whichever idea you like the most. For this example, I'm going to choose this one right here, but you can pick any idea you want. After copying that idea, I simply paste it back into ChatGPT and ask it to write a 1-minute script based on that idea. And just like that, within a few seconds, ChatGPT generates a full 1-minute script that we can use for our short video. All we have to do now is copy that script because we're going to use it later. Next, we're going to head over to this YouTube channel. As you can see, they've uploaded a lot of videos here. What we're going to do is take a few screenshots for reference. So open any video you like and start taking screenshots of different scenes. The reason we're doing this is so we can show ChatGPT the kind of visuals we want to create. You can take as many screenshots as you want. I usually take around 6 or 7. Once you've got all your screenshots, go back to ChatGPT again. Now we're going to upload those images. Here we'll type another prompt. In this prompt, we basically tell ChatGPT that we're giving it some reference images, and it should analyze them. Then, based on the story it wrote earlier, it should generate image prompts for every scene so we can create visuals that match the story. We also ask ChatGPT to make sure the character stays consistent and that the background, colors, and overall style stay consistent as well. But before generating prompts for each scene, we ask ChatGPT to first give us a master prompt. This master prompt will help us generate the main character first. After that, ChatGPT will generate prompts for every scene. Once I click send, you can see ChatGPT instantly writes all the prompts for each scene. And right at the top, it also provides the master prompt so we can generate our character. Now, there are a lot of websites out there where you can generate images, but for this video, we're going to use Whisk AI. If you prefer another tool, you can definitely use that too. After coming to the website, you'll see Whisk written right here. Just click on it, then click Enter Tool. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. Once you're inside, paste the prompt into the prompt box, adjust the aspect ratio and other settings, and then click the Generate button. But here's the problem. When I click Generate, the image it gives me doesn't really look the way we imagined. So what do we do now? Don't worry, there's a really simple solution. Just go to Google and search for Labubu. Then download any image that you think looks perfect for your character. After that, come back to the tool and click on the side panel. You'll see an option to upload a subject image. Upload the image you downloaded, then paste the same master prompt again. Now when you generate the image this time, you'll see that the result is pretty much perfect. Using this method, you can generate as many scenes as you want, while keeping the same character consistent in every scene. But here's the interesting part. For this video, we actually don't need a lot of images. We can create the entire video using just one image. Let me show you how. So now, let's go back to ChatGPT again. This time we'll write another prompt. In this prompt, we tell ChatGPT that the image has already been generated, and now we just need animation prompts for each scene. Basically, ChatGPT will generate prompts that we can use to animate the scenes. The prompt I'm using here is also something you can simply copy and paste. Now, to generate the actual video, we're going to use Grok AI. If you know another tool that works better, you can definitely use that instead. But for now, we'll stick with this one. Once you come to the website, create an account. After that, you'll see an interface that looks something like this. So once you're inside the video tool, you'll see an option to upload your image. Go ahead and upload the character image we generated earlier. After that, take your first animation prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Now, just hit the generate button, and boom, the tool creates a video for you. But here's something you might notice. If you look closely, sometimes the facial structure or facial details start changing in the video, and that's not what we want. We want the character to stay consistent. So what do? We go back to ChatGPT and explain the issue clearly. We ask it to write a prompt where only the body animation happens, or maybe just camera movement happens, but the face structure and facial features do not change at all. You can also just copy my exact prompt if you want better results. Now, when ChatGPT gives us the updated prompt, let's test it. But sometimes, even after using that prompt, the same issue still happens. That's because we didn't explain things in enough detail. So instead of going back again, we can directly modify the prompt ourselves. Just add something very clear like, do not change facial expression, do not modify face structure. Keep ears, teeth, eyes, and all facial details exactly the same. The more specific you are, the better the result. So once I modify the prompt like that and click Generate again, now you can see the video comes out exactly how we wanted. Clean, consistent, perfect. Now here's the thing. Sometimes when you keep generating videos, the tool will say your credits are finished. Once your free credits are gone, you can switch to another tool. For example, I use a tool called Flow. Just create an account there. They also give you a good amount of credits. The process is basically the same. Upload your character image first, paste your animation prompt, and hit Generate. And honestly, sometimes this tool gives even better results. Sometimes it's perfect. Other times, there might be a small glitch. If that happens, just regenerate it. No big deal. Now here's a really powerful trick. Once you're happy with a video, you'll see an Extend button at the bottom. Click that. Then paste your second scene's animation prompt and hit Generate again. What happens is, instead of creating a brand new video from scratch, the tool continues from the last frame of your previous video. So let's say your first clip was 30 seconds long. When you extend it, the new animation starts exactly from the 30th second frame and keeps going. It won't look like separate clips. It feels like one continuous video. You can keep extending like this, 30 seconds at a time, and build a full-length video smoothly. And if any generated clip looks wrong, just delete it. No problem. Now, there is a limit to how many times you can extend a single video. When you hit that limit, here's what you do. Go to the very last frame of your final clip and download that frame as an image. Then start a new project, upload that last frame, and generate the next part from there. After that, you can extend again. You just keep repeating this process until you get the exact result you want. Once everything looks good, download the final video. Now let's talk about editing. After you've generated all your clips, editing is actually very simple. You can use a laptop, PC, whatever you're comfortable with. Use any editing software you already know. Even basic ones are fine. Just place all your clips in a single timeline. Add background music, sound effects, although most AI tools already include sound effects and music. But if you want to add your own voiceover or extra effects, you absolutely can. Then maybe add some small visual effects, adjust transitions if needed, and your video is ready to upload. That's it. I've clearly shown you the full process, step by step, how this is made and how everything works. I hope this helped you out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.